Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to add the calculator widget to your HTML website. It only takes 2 minutes, and you don't need any special skills. First, go to Elfsight and choose the calculator widget from the menu. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. Let's build your widget. Start by picking a template that fits your needs. Click Continue with this template. Effortlessly create a custom calculator by describing it in plain language to our AI. Then add or customize fields and formulas to perfectly match your needs. Customize the calculator widget's appearance with options for fonts, colors, background, and more, ensuring it seamlessly matches your website's look and feel. Fine-tune your calculator's functionality and behavior by adjusting settings like separators, width, language, and more to perfectly match your website's requirements. Click Add to Website to get the embed code. Log in or sign up for Elfsight. It's free, no credit card needed. Once you're signed up, you'll see your new widget. Click the code to copy it, then go to your HTML file. Paste the Elfsight Calculator widget code into your HTML file where you want the calculator to appear. Now let's add the widget to your website. Open your website's admin panel. Go to the page where you want the widget to appear. Find the option to add custom code or an embed block to that page. Paste your contact form installation code there, preferably before the closing /body tag or in the page's custom code field. Save the changes. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.